Good evening. This is our week 4 video. And excuse me, the prompt for this is, have you ever been involved in a crisis situation? And if so, what are some factors that helped you through it? And if not, what factors do you think will help you through it one in the future? I have been through many crisis situations. Some very small to some being very big in the military. One that can come into my mind um, is, of course, 9/11. We were, I was at home, I was on leave, and 9/11 happened. And I am part of I was part of the quick response team. So for me, I had a card on me, and it was like a tree card. Um, and what we do is we just call the next person. Then that person calls the next person, and we all go in from the first person. Yeah, on the back of it, it has like what we're supposed to do, what we're supposed to bring, who we're supposed to see in case there's a problem. And I think that if everybody could have cards or a quick, like a quick reference guide, and it doesn't have to be in their class. I mean, it should be in their classroom or in their office. Maybe I'm a substitute teacher, so maybe it could be on the back of. They have like their name on a they have their name like on a stick, like on a piece of paper, and then on a stick, like a sign. And maybe it could be on the back of that also. And what you could do is just have it on there to make sure that we know what's going on and how to take care of that situation. That could be one for something that's happening at the school that needs to be real quick. Another one uh, could be, like I said, it could be a manual. It could tell you what to do um, in terms of what's going on. Uh, we also had sheets. So we would just pick a binder out of what it was, whether it was like a bomb threat or somebody with a gun, something with a suicide. I mean, we can break them down to even smaller than that. Something with a suicide, you break it down, and it's very simple. It just talks about what's going on. So at first, it'd be like a suicide attempt or suicide ideation, and then it just goes down from there with a yes or no, and it goes down to the end to where everybody's safe. So, like I said, it could be a bomb threat, knife threat, um, somebody in the school, uh, kid having problems with something, or something small like that. So I think those books, those cards, those are really good things they can have that can really help you out. Uh, Hope that's good. And that will be week 4 video.